In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update my school profile bio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your bio look clean and professional. First, make sure you're logged into your school account. You can do this on the web in your browser or inside the school app. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your profile settings. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile picture or avatar. Click or tap it to open a small menu. From that drop-down, choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where your current bio appears along with the rest of your personal details. On the profile page, scroll down just a bit until you see an Edit Profile button, or look for a small pencil or edit icon near the bio area. Different layouts may show either the button or the icon, but both take you to the same place. Go ahead and select Edit Profile. You'll now be on the Edit screen. Here, find the Bio or Description field. This is where you can type your updated bio text. Keep your message clear and concise. A good bio quickly explains who you are, what you do, and what people can expect from you on school. Using a warm, friendly tone helps readers connect with you. If you want, you can include a short line about your interests or the type of content you share. Avoid clutter, keep sentences tight, and proofread for typos. It's also a good idea to skip sensitive details and keep things professional and safe. If there's a character limit, aim to say the most important part first. Emojis can add personality, but use them sparingly so your message stays readable. After you've typed your updated bio, save your changes. Look toward the bottom of the page for a Save or Done button and select it. Give it a moment to process. You should see your new bio reflected on your profile right away. If the Save button appears inactive, check that you've actually made a change in the field. If something doesn't look right, return to Edit Profile and make quick adjustments, then save again. That's it. You've updated your school profile bio. You can revisit these steps anytime you want to refresh your message. Keeping your bio current helps members understand who you are and why they should connect with you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to update your bio whenever your focus or goals evolve.